Like he doesn't have to do that. So Beauregard sat back against the driver's seat. Listen, when you're a black man in America, you live with the weight of other people's low expectations on your back every day. They can crush you right down to the goddamn ground. Think about it like it's a race. Everybody else has a head start, and you're dragging those low expectations behind you. Choices give you freedom from those expectations, allows you to come loose. Because that's what freedom is, being able to let things go. And nothing is more important than freedom. Nothing. You hear me, boy? Beauregard said. Javon nodded his head. And that's just a version of a talk